Hello friends, today I tell you what is inflation and its effect on your investments. So what is mean by inflation? Do you know what is mean that? The price of goods and services increasing over a time, that means inflations. The money value can be false. The rupees of 100 today's buys less in the future, measuring by consumer price index and wholesale price index track inflations. So what is the cause of inflation? The high demand, supply shortage, increasing production cost, government policies. That means the causes of inflations. Every year increasing the inflation. So what is the effects of inflations on your investments? The first, fixed return loss value. The saving and FD they gives interest. They may not be beat inflations. The real value is decreasing. Bonds and PPF is also if returns is less than the inflations. The stock market will beat inflations. Let's see. The short term volatility means the inflation fears market up and down. That means a volatility. And another is a long term growth. When you invest a long term in the stock market, in good companies, rising price, profit grows, and stocks may be beats inflations. The real estates and gold also beat the inflations. The the real estate's property value usually rising with inflations, and gold act as a hedge. Value often increasing during the inflation. Do you know the gold value right now? It's too much rising. And another is of business cost rise. In healthcare expenses, just like equipment, rent, salaries increasing affects profits. They also affect on your profit. And the patient affordability. The higher medical cost may impact private practice revenue. The smart investment strategy. What is the smart investment strategy? Your investment will be diversified. Should be diversified. You choose mix of stocks, real estates, gold or bonds. Mix of stocks in invest in healthcare, pharma, FMCG, stocks, IT, bank sectors. They also grow your investments and beat the inflation. Inflation protect bonds. Government scheme like inflation indexed bonds. Increasing fees gradually. Adjust consultations and procedure costs to keep up. Thank you.